If f of x equals x to the 5th power over e to the x, find f prime of x. We see here that we need to use the quotient rule, which basically says that f over g prime equals f prime times g minus g prime times f all over g squared. A simple rhyme that I use to memorize the quotient rule is low d high minus high d low all over the square of what's below. As we can see in this equation, the low is going to be the g and the high is going to be the f. So we have low, the g, d high means the derivative of the high, d high, minus high, the f, d low, derivative of the number at the bottom, g prime, all over the square of what's below. What's below is g, so we have the square of g. Now I'm going to delete it right now, but keep this rhyme in mind as we work through the problem. So we have f prime x equals low d high minus high d low. Remember, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x all over the square of what's below, e to the x squared. Over here we can see that we have e to the x in common, so we can cancel out one e to the x term. And when that simplifies, we get 5x to the 4th minus x to the 5th over e to the x. But remember, we can simplify a bit further now by taking the x 4th out of the top two terms. So we get 5 minus x e to the x. That is our final answer.